Welcome to Common Pitfalls. Today we're going to talk about instructors that don't apply the anatomy to the actual exercises. So this goes beyond instructors throwing out incorrect anatomical terms or saying that certain muscles are working that aren't working and just being wrong in their understanding of anatomy. But a lot of times instructors just plain simple don't think about it. They're going through the exercises and they're talking about shapes, and they're not talking about what joints should move, and that's part of the anatomy, or the muscles and thinking about the muscles. And at a deeper level, they're not thinking about the why. Well, why is this so tight on this client? What is inhibiting that? You know, is it the actual muscles, or is it the joint, or is it something on the opposing side that's too loose or too tight or weak or strong? And they're not playing detective. So when that happens, you want to really look inside yourself and think about why you're not thinking about those. Is it because you just don't know enough? In that case, you need to go back and study some more and understand it at a deeper level. And that's going to happen continually as you teach Pilates. You're going to get into kind of lulls where you feel comfortable with your teaching, and then you're going to realize, I know nothing about this. And you start learning and growing more, and then you're going to kind of coast for a little bit, and then you realize, oh, I need to learn a whole nother depth level. And so those waves should and could happen in your teaching. So I want you to encourage yourself to maybe learn more. Another reason that this might be happening is that you're not sure of the exercises, and maybe you're focused on the aesthetics and the external and not the deeper internal connections. So I want you to really delve into the why are you doing this? What is the purpose of the exercise? And what should you be feeling? What should happen? What changes should be happening in the body? And why are those changes happening? I want you to become a master question asker. So you're a detective. That's what your job is as a Pilates instructor, of asking why. Why does this happen in the exercise? Why is this stopping the client? Why can't the client do this? Why are they not understanding my cues? You know, all these questions. I want you to continually ask yourself and evaluate what is going on in your own head, because you're the only one that knows what's going on in there, so that you can take your teaching deeper and you can start applying the anatomy to your teaching and your understanding.